Hello, I'm Bruno Moraes, the country manager at Wayra UK.
And hi, my name is Mark Evans. I'm the Chief Executive of Telefónica UK. You may know us as the brand of O2.
Yeah, thank you, Mark. Mark, what does innovation mean to O2?
I think technology and mobile communications has come such a long way. It's changed our lives. So innovation needs to be part of our DNA. Look, I'm old enough to remember when you used a phone as a phone and you talked to people. It moved to then become text and data. Now, of course, it's transformed our lives. It's the remote control we take with us. We bank, we do business, we watch content, we play games on the device. So innovation for me is about how we use technology to meet future services and products for the next generation.
Yeah, thank you. Wayra is the open innovation arm of Telefónica. So how do you see our role working together with O2 in supporting your innovation journey?
Well, look, the first thing that I love about Wayra is owners that are passionate about their startup. They're so committed. They move at an incredible pace, their agility. They stop at nothing. And of course, they're always looking at the next generation or those next services. So what I love about it is just the psychology they bring to a business that's the scale of O2, but get us to think differently about the world of tomorrow.
Yep, they are very passionate. You have to be very passionate to start a new business and be successful.
Oh, and the energy they bring is insatiable.
Yeah, it's amazing. It's one of the most important rewards, I think, in working with entrepreneurs. So, which real business case does it come to your mind when you think about this collaboration between Wayra and O2?
Yeah, because you're right. There are some real test cases proven in the fact that we've collaborated with Wayra partners and brought real benefits, not just to the way that we work, but to customers as well. So let me give you a couple of examples. The first one I would say would be RotorGeek. We run a 450 retail store footprint. It's nice to be able to schedule those employees to make sure that they're available when we need them. And that tool, that application enables us to do that really smartly and efficiently. It works for our employees, it works for ourselves. And if I keep with the retail theme, and particularly during the pandemic, of course, Qdini. Qdini enables customers to book a place in a virtual queue, so they don't waste any downtime. Yeah? We can service them when we're ready, when they're available, and there's no downtime wasted. Fantastic. Two examples that have transformed not just our operating model and our efficiency, but also customer experience as well. Both of those businesses brought millions of benefit to O2. And then let me leave you with one that actually the customers benefit in monetary value as well, which is airtime rewards. So an ability for the customer to call on some preferential treatments and discounts for services based on location on an app on their phone. Over 1 million customers of ours have benefited from those products, and they themselves have had almost £10 million of benefits. A fantastic change to the O2 membership base.
Yeah, it's a very, very interesting case. Or they are all very interesting cases in Wayra and this collaboration. So if we think about the future, right? We've seen a lot of changes in the last 10 years that Wayra existed. What do you see happening in the next 10? It's probably quite difficult, but what do you see happening the next few years in terms of technology and how we'll use our phones differently, how we'll communicate differently?
Well, I wish I had that crystal ball where I know what would happen, but what would I draw out? Change is inevitable and it's exponential. So imagine what we did 5 years ago and the journey we've been on and that development that's taken place. I can see that accelerating. It's exponential change, and technology will be at the heart of all of that, and that's where mobile connectivity and mobility comes into play. We're working with the NHS and ambulances to transform healthcare remotely. So there's no need to wait to get back to the hospital. You can actually provide the healthcare remotely. That's going to transform the way we live our lives. So what I would say is it will be exponential growth, it will be technology at the heart, it will be data driven, and it'll be very exciting.
Great, fantastic. Thank you very much, Mark. It's been really good to talk to you today.
My pleasure. And you know what? I look forward to that next 10-year journey, because the last 10 years has been fantastic. The next 10 years is going to be even more exciting.
Great, fantastic. Looking forward to that too.
Thanks, Bruno.
Thank you.